Hello again, everybody. So this video here, it's going to be a little bit of an anomaly because I'm not going to show any cards except for the cards that you see in the background there. I got a couple of vintage tin toy wind-up metal birds that I want to look at. These are quite old, and I believe that is a goose in flight. Now, these are something my mom had, and I think they actually had belonged to her mother before that. And my grandma was really into birds, and my mom could pretty much identify just about any bird that landed in front of her. She was an avid bird watcher. So this goose here, now it is a wind up, metal wind up, made in Germany. Should have had a key or something there, but it's missing. When you look at the base here, it says, hopefully it's focusing, it says Germany, then it says Guess Getch, which means copyright as far as I could tell in German. There's also a maker mark on there. So I do need to do some research on these, but they are pretty cool. The graphics are really nice. This is the roughest of the three, but you really can see the detail, on the feathers on the paint job. These actually might be lithographs. Like I said, I need to do more research on these, but pretty cool. Made in Germany. So, yeah, I think these are quite old. So that actually is probably my least favorite of the three. That wing kind of stays in that position. Let's get him over here. Say my favorite for last. Now this here, I'm not a bird expert, like my mom and my grandma were. I'm not sure if that's a quail. Made by the same company in Germany because it has the same maker mark on the base. But the graphics really are outstanding on these. And basically, these are, tin or pressed metal, whatever you want to call them. But really, they did a beautiful job. Ooh, falling over. Come on, buddy. Work with me. Anyways, yeah, they really did a great job with the paint on these. I mean, it's impressive. Yeah. Pretty cool. I'm not going to wind them up. I'm not sure they really work that well. And, just going to try to preserve them in the condition they're in. And that one actually has a little wind up on the base. And wheels, just like with the goose there. Okay, so those two were made by the same company in Germany. But this little guy here, I'm going to have to give him some room. That little guy there, he's my favorite of the three. Got a little key back here, a little wind up. And obviously he's a penguin. He's quite tall. Again, all metal. You wind him up and his little feet go, waddling him across the room. Now, the paint isn't quite as spectacular as it is on the other two birds. But still pretty cool. Of course, why a penguin actually needs to be wearing a suit, no idea. Stand up straight, please. And now this one here, I'm just going to try to get a picture of it. There's a maker mark, J. Chien and Company, USA. So again, not sure the age on that one or any of these. I just know they're fairly old. And pretty cool. And yeah, I think those are going to end up in one of my display cases. I've been searching for some stuff in the storage, and I happened to luck into finding these because I've wondered where these were for a while. And I thought people might want to, even car collectors might want to check these out. Thanks for watching, everybody.